Page 120, Rondeau. Give a little explanation at the top of the page about the piece. You can tell by the dates when the composer lived. This is really old music, but it's fairly well known. You probably have heard this melody before. But a few things here I'd like to talk about. Now, this is speed-wise, it's andante. It's kind of a nice leisurely pace. People tend to play this way too fast. It just doesn't go fast. It's in the key of D major, so if we look at the beginning, it's staccato, and then tenuto. Connect these notes. The last measure, the first line staccato, light wrist staccato. The melody's the top note. Second line going on, the last two notes. Hold the half notes down, and then here I'm only using 2 fingers. It's a very slow trill. And then watch the fingering. Last line, first measure, the A's tied, hold it down. And then the fingering, you can use 3-2 in rhythm, 1 end to 2 end. Or 3-1, and then go on. And that's pretty much it. You get the second line, that second measure, that trill. That trill, 16th notes is fairly slow. Their fingering is fine. And then the other one, this one I would use a 3-1-3-2, and then a 1 for the last note, and then a 2-5. So the last 3 measures of the second line is here. Third line, yeah, the tricky part here. These are staccato, light wrist staccato. The melody's the top note. That's the other part is just a kind of a counter melody going on. And then the second full measure with that little grace note. I'm going to play them almost at the same time on the beat. And I lift my hand between the phrases so we get silence. And follow their fingering. The last 3 notes of the page, I'm going to do a 1-2-1. Because we got a DCL fine. We go back to the beginning and we go to fine. In the left hand, it's just supporting it. Keep the left hand down. There's no big deal with the left hand, I hope. You get over to page 121 on the 3rd line. Again, light staccato. Support the right hand, but keep the left hand down. The last 2 measures of the page on 121 is here. It's up to you how you finger it. I start out with a 4-1, and then a 5-1, and then for the fingering there. So when you put the 2 hands together, this is like a majestic type piece, but not fast. hopefully you get the idea of how this goes. It's just a, don't go fast. Keep it down, keep it slow.